Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lisa. Nice to meet you. If you're new, definitely make sure you subscribe. For today's video, I will be showing you my current wash day routine for my short and relaxed hair. So if you're interested in seeing what I do, then just keep on watching. So the first thing I do is put a pre-poo in my hair. For this, I use 100% virgin coconut oil. Coconut oil stimulates hair growth, helps get rid of dandruff, moisturizes dry hair, and adds luster, shine, and softness. It also prevents hair breakage, split ends, and slows down hair loss. Overall, it's an amazing product to use on any hair, and I've been swearing by it for years. Aside from coconut oil, I also love putting 100% Black Jamaican castor oil on my edges, especially when I've put a lot of gel and hairspray on my hairline from wearing wigs. And castor oil prevents hair loss and helps make your hair stronger, smoother, and less frizzy. So after I put both these products into my hair, I just put my hair up into a bun and let it sit for as long as possible. If I can get away with having it in my hair all day long while I'm just at home, maybe doing some work or editing, I will definitely do that, because the longer it sits in my hair, the more it benefits my hair. So yeah. I then head into the shower and shampoo my hair 2 to 3 times using the Keune Vital Nutrition Shampoo. It's a shampoo for damaged hair, which I prefer using since my hair is relaxed. And then for my conditioner, I'm absolutely obsessed with any Aussie 3-minute Miracle Deep treatments. This time I used the moisture one, but I always like to switch them up so my hair doesn't get too used to them. After I put my conditioner in my hair, I also like to go in with a white tooth comb and detangle it. And then instead of using a regular towel, I use an oversized cotton t-shirt because it's way better and more gentle on your hair. After sectioning off my hair, I'm now prepping it for blow drying. So the first thing I put in my hair is a detangling spray, and this one is from Andrélon. And then I follow this up with the Biosilk Silk Therapy Serum. This product is literally so amazing for damaged hair. Even though it's a little expensive, I definitely recommend it. And then lastly, I spray some of the Syoss heat protection spray to protect my hair from the heat. Now, since I already detangled my hair when I was washing it, it won't be too tangled, but I still like to do another round of detangling before going in with my blow drying brush. I then start blow drying my hair, which I do using this Philips blow drying brush. I'm not sure if they still sell it, but I'll try to leave a link down below for you. This blow dryer makes it so extremely easy to get my hair to be dry super fast. And I obviously don't want to bore you with this too much, but I basically just repeated all the steps from earlier on each section and went ahead and blow dried them all. And yeah. Now that my hair is fully dry, I can go ahead and start straightening it. The technique I use is pretty simple. For the bottom portion, I don't really use the comb chase method because the hair is so short that I literally almost burn my fingers off. So I just run my straightener through each section about 2 times. And then when I get to the hair that's a bit longer, I start doing the comb chase method and again run my straightener through my hair about 2 times. It's pretty self-explanatory, so I'll again speed you through this process because it gets boring kind of fast. Yeah, we're almost done, guys, almost done. After spending 10 years straightening my hair and sweating my ass off, we're finally ready to finish it. So to bring a little bit more moisture into my ends, I apply some of the L'Oreal Elvive Extraordinary Oil. I really like this oil because it's not too heavy and it doesn't leave my hair greasy or stiff. And then lastly, I just lay down my edges using the clear G2B Glue. So that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you give it a thumbs up if you did, and of course subscribe. Also make sure to turn on my post notifications so that you'll be notified every time I upload a video. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.